axis. So today we're just going to be going through your visual acuity and testing for your eye muscle function, if that's okay.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by just observing the outside of your eyes, looking at your eyelashes to make sure they're nice and curved, checking your eyebrows that they're full from the inside to the outsides, and then kind of just blink a couple times to make sure your eyes move evenly. Good, and now I'm just gonna have you stare straight ahead so I can look at the whites of your eyes and as well as the pupils and your cornea. And then I would pull down on your eyelid if this weren't for COVID, and again, observe the sclera and conjunctiva, looking for the color. And then I'm gonna have this light on the top of your forehead and stare at the tip of it to make sure that the light reflects evenly off of both eyes, good. And then I'm gonna have you stare at the tip of my pen to make the figure H, checking for motor function, good. And now we're gonna go through the pleura, so I'm just gonna have you stare straight ahead. I'm gonna look at your pupils to make sure they're round and even, good. And then I'm gonna cover up the side of your face and shine a light on your left eye, seeing if your right pupil constricts, good. And then I would repeat that on the other side. Good, and then I'm going to have you stare at the tip of my pen, see if your eyes constrict, and then stare at the back of the wall to see if they dilate. Do that a few times. Now I'm going to check your lacrimal sacs, let me know if there's any discomfort with this. Checking to see if there's any buildup. Good, and now I'm going to check, use my ophthalmoscope to check your red reflex. So I'm going to start away, and then move closer until I find the vessels, your optic disc. I'm gonna come behind you to check your peripheral vision. So raise your fingers or your hand to let me know when you see them. And we'll do it in 3 different directions. Good. And now I would have you stare 20 feet away at the eye chart, cover one of your eyes, and read the lowest line you could, and then repeat it on the other side. And that would conclude the eye exam.